Hey, this is John from the weightloss101.com. I will be teaching you about a unique system designed to blast away stubborn belly fat in as little as 21 days. You're here because you're looking for legitimate review of 21-day flat belly fix system. Chances are, like me, you've been searching around the internet for quite some time to find something that works. You've seen other reviews and may have watched other videos but just still don't know if the flat belly fix is for you. I struggled for years to get the results that I wanted because I often listened to all these nutrition companies and their false promises. I realized I didn't need another diet pill but something that was sustainable long term but gave me results fairly quickly to motivate me to keep moving forward. Now, I know it likely sounds like just another gimmicky fitness plan that promises to provide results, but don't be mistaken. Oftentimes, most of those programs will provide results if you follow their regime precisely. Unfortunately, the regime is usually too unrealistic to follow. The good news is that the same can't be said about the flat belly fix. In fact, it's likely one of the easiest programs to add into your daily regime because it doesn't require you to spend hours on end working on your health and fitness, yet it still focuses on exercise and healthy eating. Intrigued? As was I. Let's discover whether this online fitness program is worth your pretty penny. Diet, exercise and supplementation are the three keys to short-cutting your results when it comes to burning stubborn belly fat. The flat belly fix gives you the fat-burning experience without the jitters or crashes. It's completely natural and has no side effects. What is the flat belly fix program about? Speaking of pretty pennies, the Flat Belly Fix is an exceptionally affordable program, especially considering that it provides you with nutritional information, exercise instructions, and smoothie recipes. While most programs charge the same price for just one of these components, you get all three when you start this program, which are the 21-day system, 7-minute flat belly protocol, smoothie recipe guide. I'll explain these a little further in just a moment, but as you can see just at a glance, your fitness and nutrition are taken care of within this program. This is key since it's hard to achieve sustainable weight loss without one or the other. You need both in order to see results. This program provides you with a significant amount of both. Now, the foundation of this unique health and fitness approach stems from ancient ingredients that were used back in time to maintain optimal health and strength. No, I'm not talking about some weird voodoo spell, pill or potion. These ingredients can be found at your grocery store. It just so happens that many people today in westernized countries don't know how to incorporate them into their diet or the reasons for doing so. As a result, we don't use them when cooking and we don't receive the benefits either. Flat belly smoothie recipes for weight loss. The program not only teaches you the power that such ingredients bring into your life, health and fitness, but it also provides you with the easiest way to enjoy them, in smoothies. The smoothie recipes provided put the information you learn throughout the main portion of the program in the blender, making it easy for you to finally reap the benefits. As for the exercise regime, it includes various types of movements designed to target the stomach area to finally eliminate your stubborn belly fat. While there are dates of the week attached to each protocol, you can pick and choose which ones you want to do, as long as you're doing one full protocol each day, which only requires 7 minutes to complete. As for the type of exercise movements, they're all based on the movements that SWAT teams, military members, and police officers use to ensure their stamina and strength, which leads into the next topic. Who is the creator of the Flat Belly Fix program? Todd Lamb is the creator of the Flat Belly Fix. Unlike many other fitness program authors, he isn't some major media fitness guru that's been seen on this talk show and in that magazine. However, he has always had a strong understanding of health and fitness and what's required to achieve both because he has always had a career which required him to do so. Todd is a veteran police officer of 17 years, a retired SWAT team leader, a SWAT and canine dog handler, and also has military experience. In fact, his certifications are so long, we'd be here all day if I was to list them. So, while he does not have some fitness degree or personal training experience, he does have the knowledge and experience you're looking for, and that's what counts. Overview of the Flat Belly Fix program. Now, let's get into the details of this program. To give you a better understanding of what you receive when you purchase the Flat Belly Fix program, here's a breakdown of the topics covered and what you can expect from each component provided. The 21-day system. The 21-day system is a great place to start this system if you're interested in knowing everything there is to know about your health, nutrition, fitness, and how this program caters to that. I highly recommend reading this, as it will teach you valuable tips on how to maintain weight loss even after you've completed this program. For example, you learn everything from nutrition to human anatomy, eating schedules, triglycerides, proportions, insulin, and much more. This is information that you'll want to have under your belt moving forward. The 7-Minute Flat Belly Protocol. The 7-Minute Flat Belly Protocol is where all of the exercises can be found, from system tension to isometric holds, fiber activation, and more. There is a protocol for each day of the week. However, you can choose which one you like to do, as long as you complete one protocol a day. Considering they only take 7 minutes to complete, this really isn't difficult to do at all, but don't be mistaken, you'll certainly feel the burn. Each movement also comes with 2 photos along with detailed instructions on how to execute it properly, for how long, how many reps, and how long your rest periods should be in between each set. So, it's fairly simple to follow through. Smoothie Recipe Guide. Chocolate and avocado, banana nut, chocolate almond, oh my! This section of the program provides you with detailed instructions on how to get proper nutrition, including the ancient ingredients taught to you in the first guide, into your diet and in a way that is enjoyable. Think chocolate, wild berries, coconut, almond milk, cinnamon, vanilla, nuts, and much more. The conclusion. The Flat Belly Fix is incredibly easy to follow through. You only need 7 minutes a day to complete the exercise regime and a couple more to make the smoothies. The only thing that is hard is fighting through that intense burn you feel as you execute the short but quick movements, the same burn that melts away stubborn belly fat. If you're still concerned as to whether the exercise regime is for you, who doesn't have 7 minutes a day, or are a picky eater and not sure you'll like the smoothies, trust me, you will. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee that you can take advantage of. So, before you go into diving in and wasting your hard-earned money on another supplement that may work only temporarily, go to the link in the description to create lasting change. It will allow you to get access to the Flat Belly Fix at a special discount with even a workout plan included. Please click on the link in the description below to get this program at discounted price and finally achieve your weight loss and fitness goals.